Hearts United, an African love tale.
In the heart of the majestic African plains, where the golden sun kisses the earth and the rhythm of life echoes in every breath of wind, there lived a young Zulu princess named Nala. With grace in her step and kindness in her heart, she was cherished by her people, the proud Zulu tribe. But fate had a different path laid out for Princess Nala. One faithful day, amidst the whispers of the elders and the rustling of the acacia trees, news arrived that would change her life forever. She was to be wed to an Igbo man named Obi, a wealthy and powerful figure from a distant land. The news rattled the young princess to her core, for she knew little of this man from a distant land, and her heart yearned to remain among her people. Yet, bound by duty and tradition, she prepared herself for the union, her mind clouded with uncertainty and fear. Meanwhile, in the bustling village of the Igbo tribe, Obi, a man of stature and authority who was known throughout his tribe as a force to be reckoned with, grappled with his inner turmoil. Though he outwardly agreed to the arranged marriage, he harbored a secret that weighed heavy on his heart, his love for another, an Igbo woman named Ama. Obi and Ama spent private moments away from the prying eyes of the village. Their connection is palpable as they shared dreams of a future free from tradition. Obi's love for Ama blossoms amidst these stolen moments, despite the knowledge of his impending arranged marriage. Obi reluctantly reveals to Ama that he is engaged to a Zulu princess through an arranged marriage, creating a heartbreaking contrast in their relationship despite their affectionate moments. Obi and Ama share tender moments, but when it came to the arranged betrothal, Obi's demeanor became stiff and formal. Though he felt affection for Ama, he wore a facade of duty and resignation to hide the pain in his heart. Despite their anguish, they found solace in the fleeting moments they could steal away together, knowing that their love would endure even in the face of adversity. However, the looming spectre of the arranged marriage threatened to tear them apart forever. Princess Nala struggles with the idea of leaving her home and marrying a stranger from a different tribe. Seeking solace in nature and confiding in her closest confidants, she struggles with the internal conflict between her duty and her desires. Yet, even as she struggled with the weight of her responsibilities, Nala knew that duty called her to honor the alliance forged by her family. With a resolve born of both duty and determination, she steeled herself to face the unknown future that awaited her, drawing strength from the bonds of friendship and the beauty of the world around her. As the date of Princess Nala and Obi's marriage approached, tension thickened like an impending storm. Both Princess Nala and Obi struggled with their inner demons, grappling with the expectations placed upon them by their tribes. Princess Nala was struggling with feelings of inadequacy as she prepared to leave her home and marry a stranger. She was filled with doubts and fears, wondering if she would be enough for her new husband and if she could ever truly fit in with unfamiliar customs and traditions in a foreign land. But when the day of their meeting finally arrived, amidst the grandeur of a ceremonial gathering, something unexpected happened. As Princess Nala and Obi locked eyes for the first time, a spark of ignited between them, a spark of understanding, of empathy, of shared vulnerability. Over time, Obi's feelings for Ama diminished, while Nala's initial concerns about her limitations and jealousy upon discovering Obi's love for Ama gradually turned into understanding and acceptance. As they shared their deepest hopes and fears, they realized that their connection went beyond boundaries of their communities and traditions. Princess Nala and Obi are getting ready for their arranged marriage. As they spend time together, they discover that they share a deep connection and have similar interests. In each other they found solace and companionship, and amidst the turmoil of their respective situations. They enjoy taking walks and having conversations about everything and anything. Slowly, they developed a bond and find themselves laughing and enjoying each other's company. Even though they face some challenges, they remain determined to make their relationship work. One beautiful night under the African sky, Princess Nala and Obi finally admit their true feelings for each other. They speak honestly from the heart and show their vulnerability, which brings them closer together. They decide to embrace their love and face any obstacles that may arise together. In their embrace, they feel strong and prepared to face any challenge that comes their way. During Princess Nala and Obi's wedding ceremony, the Zulu and Igbo tribes come together. During joyous celebrations, they exchange vows and ceremonial gifts, bridging the cultural divide and honoring their love. The celebrations mark the start of a new era of togetherness and unity as the two tribes commemorate the union of their beloved couple. Tribal Zulu Princess Nala and tribal leader Obi discovered the true essence of love, which went beyond tribal and traditional boundaries. They realized that their bond was more than just two people from different tribes, but two hearts united in the purest form of love. They knew then that their love was meant to be, and they were ready to welcome it with open arms. As Princess Nala and Obi held hands, they were enveloped in the warmth of their tribes and the embrace of love. They looked deeply into each other's eyes and kissed against a backdrop of an African sunset, symbolizing love's triumph over adversity. They knew their love would be a guiding light, illuminating the path ahead as they walked through life side by side as one.